Hello! Today we are talking about AI crypto projects. We are deep into 2025. The buzz around this topic is louder than ever. Many people have one simple question. Are these projects real and revolutionary? Or are they just another wave of market hype? Everyone sees the flashy advertisements. Everyone hears the incredible promises of wealth. It is easy to get swept up in the excitement. But it is more important to stay grounded. We need to look past the marketing slogans and dig into the facts. This is what we will do today. I will help you understand this complex world. I will explain everything in simple words. We will explore what AI crypto projects are at their core. We will look at real examples of projects that are building useful technology. These are projects with history, with purpose. Then I will show you the other side of the coin. We will uncover the common tricks that fake or overhyped projects use. These are the red flags that can help you avoid major losses. My goal is not to tell you what to buy. My goal is to give you the tools to think for yourself and make informed decisions. This essay will give you a clear framework. You will receive a simple checklist. You can use it to evaluate any AI crypto project you encounter. We will discuss why some of these projects might actually build a better future. The combination of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology holds real potential. But potential is not the same as reality. The market is filled with noise. It is filled with people who want to take your money. They use complex terms and big promises to confuse you. We are going to cut through that noise together. By the end of our discussion, you will have a clearer picture of the AI crypto landscape in 2025. You will understand the good and the truly ugly parts of this emerging sector. The key is to approach this space with a healthy dose of skepticism and a lot of curiosity. The question remains, real or hype? Let's find the answer. We will do it by looking at the evidence. We will rely on facts, not fear of missing out. Let's begin this important journey into the heart of AI crypto, together. So, what exactly are AI crypto projects? Let's break it down simply. These projects aim to combine two of the most powerful technologies of our time. The first is artificial intelligence, or AI. Think of AI as smart software. It is software that can learn from data. It can recognize patterns. It can make decisions or predictions without a human telling it exactly what to do every single step of the way. You use AI every day. It recommends movies. It understands your voice commands. It helps you search the internet. It is a tool for intelligence. The second part of the equation is blockchain or cryptocurrency. A blockchain is a shared public record book. It is a ledger that is not controlled by any single company or government. This is why we call it decentralized. It allows people to move money or data securely and transparently. It uses cryptography to make sure that once a record is added, it cannot be easily changed. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum are the most famous examples of this technology in action. They provide a way to transfer value without needing a traditional bank to process the transaction for you. It is not easy to build. Many projects simply use the words AI and crypto as marketing buzzwords. They know these terms attract attention and investment. They might have a token and a website with pictures of robots, but no real AI technology underneath. A true AI crypto project has a clear and logical reason for using both technologies together. The blockchain part should solve a real problem for the AI part, and vice versa. Without that synergy, it is often just hype. Now that we know what AI crypto projects are, let's explore what they promise to do. When built correctly, the combination of AI and blockchain can create powerful new tools. These are not just fantasies. Some projects are actively building solutions for real-world problems. One of the most promising areas is creating decentralized AI marketplaces. Today, big tech companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft dominate the world of AI. They own the massive servers and the complex models, or access top-tier AI tools affordably. A decentralized AI marketplace changes this dynamic. Imagine a global network where anyone can offer their AI model for others to use. A developer in India could create a specialized AI for identifying plant diseases. A small farm in Brazil could then pay a small fee in cryptocurrency to use that AI model through a blockchain network. The blockchain handles the payment securely. It also ensures that the developer who created the AI gets paid fairly for their work. This breaks the monopoly of big tech. It democratizes access to powerful artificial intelligence for everyone around the globe. Another significant use case is in the world of data. AI models are incredibly hungry for data. The more data they have, the smarter they become. But our personal data is valuable and sensitive. We are often hesitant to share it. AI crypto projects are building platforms for secure and private data sharing. These systems can allow you to rent out your data to an AI model without ever revealing your personal identity. The blockchain can track who uses your data. This creates a new data economy where individuals, not corporations, are in control. Finally, we have the concept of autonomous AI agents. These are smart programs that can act on your behalf on the blockchain. An AI agent could be programmed to manage your crypto investments. It could monitor the market 24/7. It could automatically rebalance your portfolio based on rules you set. Another agent could manage your digital identity, granting access to certain websites while keeping your private information secure. These agents would run on a decentralized network, meaning no single company could shut them down or manipulate them. They represent a future where smart, automated systems handle complex tasks for us securely, They build partnerships with academic institutions or established companies. Their progress is visible and verifiable over a long period. They focus on building, not just on marketing. Let's look at some examples of real projects that demonstrate substance. One well-known project in this space is SingularityNet, AGIX. It was founded years ago with the clear goal of creating a decentralized marketplace for AI services. Its team includes respected AI researchers. They have published extensive documentation and have a working platform where developers can deploy and monetize their AI tools. Another example is Fetch.ai, FET, which focuses on building a network for autonomous AI agents to perform economic tasks. They have a testnet, a mainnet, demonstrable use cases in supply chain management, smart energy grids. Another category includes projects focused on data and computation. Projects like the Graph, GRT, use AI-like indexing to organize blockchain data, making it easier for developers to build applications. While not purely an AI project, it provides a critical infrastructure that many AI applications on the blockchain need. Similarly, projects focused on decentralized computing, like Render, RNDR, create a network for sharing GPU power. This is vital because training large AI models requires immense computational resources. These projects provide tangible services that solve real problems in the ecosystem. What these real projects have in common is a focus on substance over style. Their websites are informative, not just flashy. Their white papers are technical documents, not marketing brochures filled with buzzwords. You can find their team members on professional networks like LinkedIn, and their work history checks out. They often have active developer communities on platforms like GitHub, where you can see the code they are writing. They do not promise 100x gains overnight. Instead, they talk about their technology, their roadmap, the problems they are trying to solve. This quiet confidence is a hallmark of legitimacy. For every legitimate project, there are dozens of fakes. The dark side of the AI crypto boom is filled with scams and overhyped projects. These ventures are designed for one purpose: to enrich their founders. They are experts at using marketing psychology. They create a sense of urgency and a fear of missing out. They use the AI label as a magic word, even if there is no actual AI technology behind it. They build a beautiful narrative completely disconnected from technical reality. They promise to solve huge global problems with no clear explanation of how. Their white paper is a masterpiece of deception. Complicated-sounding jargon copied from real AI research papers, copied from tech blogs. But it lacks specific details. No mathematical formulas, no unique architectural designs. Looks smart on paper but says nothing of substance. Another red flag, an anonymous or fake team. They know that a credible team builds trust, so they invent one. A real team is proud of their work. An anonymous team means they have something to hide. Finally, check community and market presence. Illusion of a large, enthusiastic community. Bots on Telegram. Bots on X, formerly Twitter. Hype messages. To the moon. Hype messages. When Lambo. Real technical questions are often ignored, deleted, or met with hostility. Tokens only available on one small, unregulated, decentralized exchange, or two small, unregulated, decentralized exchanges. They avoid major, reputable exchanges because they can't pass vetting. Their entire ecosystem is a carefully constructed trap. You can protect yourself from these traps. You do not need to be a computer scientist to spot the most obvious red flags. All you need is a simple checklist and a patient, skeptical mindset. Before you even consider investing in an AI crypto project, go through these steps. This process might take 1 hour, but it could save you from losing your hard-earned money. Think of it as doing your homework. A small amount of research now can prevent a large amount of regret later. First, verify the team. This is the most important step. Search for the founders and key developers by name. Do they have real LinkedIn profiles that show a history of experience? AI software engineering blockchain. Do they have a GitHub account where you can see their past coding contributions? Are they mentioned in articles from reputable tech or crypto news outlets? If the team is anonymous or you cannot find independent proof of their existence, consider this a major warning sign. A real team is public and accountable. Second, look for a working product. Talk is cheap, but code is hard. A legitimate project should have more than just a slick website and a white paper. Look for a product demo beta version link to open source code on GitHub. Does the application actually work? Can you test any of its features? If a project has been around for a year and still has nothing to show but mock-ups and promises, be extremely cautious. Real builders are eager to show off what they have built, even if it is not perfect yet. Third, analyze the white paper and the token's purpose. A good white paper explains the technology in detail and outlines the problem it is solving. It should explain why its specific AI and blockchain solution is better than alternatives. Also ask, what is the purpose of the token? Paying for computation voting on governance? Or is it just meant to be bought and sold for speculation? Fourth, check their market presence and community. Where is the token traded? If it's only on a single obscure DEX, that's high risk. Real projects get listed on larger, reputable exchanges over time. Also, join their community on Telegram, Discord, read the conversations. Is the community discussing the technology? Asking tough questions, helping each other? Or is it just price hype memes, people shouting moon? A healthy community is a sign of a healthy project. An echo chamber of pure hype is a massive red flag. Despite all the hype and scams, we should not dismiss the entire sector. When done right, the fusion of AI and blockchain technology has the potential to be truly transformative. It can help solve some of the most pressing problems we face in the digital age. The core benefit lies in decentralization. It offers a path away from the walled gardens of big tech. It can create more open, fair, and transparent systems for everyone. This is not just a technical improvement. It is a philosophical shift toward a more democratic internet. One of the most powerful applications is the creation of fair and open data markets. Today, a few massive corporations collect and control most of the world's data. They profit from our information, often without our full consent or compensation. Blockchain can change this. It can create platforms where you can securely share or sell access to your data, while protecting your privacy. AI models could then learn from this vast pool of data, leading to breakthroughs in medicine science technology. You would be compensated for your contribution, giving power and profit back to the individual data creators. This combination can also lead to more accessible and censorship-resistant AI services. Imagine a global, open-source AI that is not owned by any single company. It would run on a decentralized network of computers all over the world. No government could shut it down, and no corporation could decide to change its rules to benefit their bottom line. This would foster innovation. Small developers and businesses everywhere could build on top of this public AI infrastructure, creating a wave of new applications and services without needing permission from a central gatekeeper. This is the promise of a truly open AI ecosystem. Finally, the synergy between AI and smart contracts can lead to more efficient and intelligent autonomous systems. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. By integrating AI, these contracts can become smarter. An AI-powered smart contract could manage a complex supply chain, automatically rerouting shipments based on real-time weather data and traffic patterns. In finance, AI agents could execute sophisticated trading strategies on decentralized exchanges, creating more efficient markets. These autonomous systems could operate with a level of speed and complexity that humans simply cannot match. The year 2025 is proving to be a critical turning point for the AI crypto sector. The initial explosion of hype has now matured into a more discerning market. The landscape is splitting into two distinct paths, a fork in the road labeled hype and collapse and utility and growth. One path is one of real, tangible growth. Launching mainnets, securing meaningful partnerships with real-world companies, demonstrating that their technology can solve actual problems. This is the path of substance, utility, not speculation, drives value and adoption. The other path is a painful but necessary cleanup. Many of the fake and overhyped projects that launched in the last couple of years are now collapsing. Their tokens are falling to zero. Investors realize there was never any real technology or product behind the marketing. This is the great reckoning. The market is learning to differentiate between a compelling story and a functional product. This process is washing away the scams and leaving the legitimate projects standing on more solid ground. This shift has a significant impact on investors. During the peak hype, many people acted out of a fear of missing out. They would invest in projects based on a cool name. They would invest based on a single tweet, hoping for quick and massive profits. This behavior fueled the rise of countless scams. Now in 2025, a more cautious sentiment is taking hold. Investors are starting to ask the hard questions. They are demanding to see working products. They are scrutinizing team backgrounds. Real user adoption and revenue are becoming more important metrics than social media hype. This new environment is better for everyone in the long run. It forces project founders to focus on building valuable technology rather than just on marketing. As we conclude our look into the world of AI crypto in 2025, I want to leave you with some final advice. If you decide to explore a new and exciting AI crypto project, always remember to do your own homework. Do not rely on a celebrity endorsement or a hyped-up social media post. Use the simple checklist we discussed. Ask the fundamental questions. Can I verify the team's identity and experience? Is there real code or research available for public review? If a project cannot provide clear and satisfying answers, the safest course of action is to walk away. It is essential to stay calm and rational. The crypto market is driven by powerful emotions, especially the fear of missing out. Scammers are experts at manipulating this fear to make you act impulsively. Remember that hype is always loud, but real substantive work is often quiet. Legitimate projects are focused on building for the long term. They demonstrate their value through steady progress and tangible results, not through empty promises of overnight riches. If something sounds too good to be true, it almost always is. There are no shortcuts to success, either in life or in investing. If you are genuinely interested in learning more, seek out credible sources of information. Follow respected crypto journalists and analysts who have a track record of deep, evidence-based reporting. Read research papers from established AI labs and universities. Join project communities that encourage technical discussions and critical thinking. Pay close attention to which projects are forming partnerships with real established businesses. Real-world adoption by actual users is the ultimate sign of a project's value and potential for long-term survival and success. Remember the core message. Some AI crypto projects are real. They have the potential to build a more open, efficient, and equitable digital future. But a vast number of them are nothing more than clever marketing schemes designed to separate you from your money. The responsibility to tell the difference falls on you. So think first, check the facts, be patient, be skeptical, and be safe. Thank you for taking the time to read this. I hope it has armed you with the knowledge to navigate this exciting but treacherous landscape with confidence. Be careful, but never stop being curious.